Breaking news, APC in dilemma over Tinubu's choice since the announcement he made regarding Shettima as his running mate, which has caused and sparked up a lot of reactions since his action shows to everyone that he is damning Nigerians. He does not care, especially the Christian community, and he does not care what they think because he wants to win at all costs, especially Emilio Con. So if it means me getting a Muslim ticket, irrespective of who I match on the head, who I put down, or who I feel irrelevant, it's inconsequential. Now, this has continued to spark up reactions all across the country, and the APC is thinking about it, trying to see to it if they have made a mistake. Remember, they still have until the 15th of July, precisely tomorrow, to make that change. So could it be that Tinubu is considering making that change so that Nigerians can sincerely, support him? Could it be that there's a possibility for that? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Buhari planning to replace Shettima with a Christian might create more problem, Emmanuel Bello says. So this is what is happening. President Muhammadu Buhari is the one planning to replace Shettima because his position on Tinubu taking that guy as his the first response was that no, he would prefer Tinubu to take a Christian. But northern elites told Tinubu that if he picks a Christian, he will not be voted for. Nigerian journalist Emmanuel Bello has said President Muhammadu Buhari might create more problems than he anticipated for if he decides to replace Kashim Shettima as Bola Ahmed Tinubu's running mate. Speaking on an interview with Arise TV, Emmanuel Bello said the call made by Babachir Lawal and Buhari should use his power to revoke the Muslim ticket. This ticket created by the All Progressive Congress might create more problem for the party as the days approaches, Babachir has warned. Emmanuel said it will still be a no-win solution to dispose Shettima with a Christian running mate because people will protest against it and it will lead to more crisis. Tinubu already made a mistake when he named Shettima as his running mate, and there the problem is. He said Tinubu needs to find a way to work around it. This issue, you see how he can get the best out of the decision of picking Shettima as his running mate. Since Tinubu pick of Shettima, a lot of controversies has sparked up even in APC. APC Christians have said they are not voting Tinubu and they will not support him or campaign for him anymore. But Bachir has made the call, reminding Tinubu that picking a Muslim ticket is a call to Nigerian Muslims that he does not care, and they've gotten the information, and this will lead to more crisis for both Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu and APC. Tinubu has continued to consult more people with regards to his choice, which is sparking up a lot of reactions as Nigerians have not accepted it. Even the guy he picked, there have been rumors of him having issues to do with the cause of the main insecurity in the country, as allegedly proved that he started it all to cause Goodluck Ebele Jonathan to force him out of office, but now has blown out of proportion. So you can hear it. Tinubu have up till tomorrow to make that decision. Now APC, Buhari is against it. When Tinubu went to Buhari and said he was taking this man, Buhari objected. But Tinubu is about Emilio Con. In case you don't understand what that means, it's my turn. I don't care how I get there. I just want to get there. I have done for others. It's my turn. Yeah, it's my turn. And so he went to Dara, and even the governors of APC damned everybody, went there and announced that this is his candidate. The governors were angry, went to Buhari asking, and Buhari tried to come to his defense that, I'm the one that chose this person, that person. There was no time. The media has already announced it. He needed to be on top of it. Hence, he announced it while in Castina before the media could be on top of it and everything. Well, that very singular decision has proven to other, parts in the country that Tinubu is gradually, to everybody has an interpretation of what has happened. Tinubu is gradually telling everyone that he's here to fulfill the agenda of, of what is going on now. And many people, are really against what he stands for. A lot of persons are saying, we don't accept this. You can't do this. No, you can't. You can't step on us and expect us to be quiet. So there is no Christian, a politician, not a single one in the whole of the North, from the northeast to the north south all across the north. There is no singular Muslim who, is a politician that he could possibly pick. So what exactly is going on? That's the question. What exactly is going on? And why is everybody, pretending that, all is well? So Buhari is trying to salve the situation because APC, this might affect APC, and he has told Tinubu to change the guy. He has up to tomorrow, barely 24 hours to go, and people are analyzing the situation, saying it might rather cause more harm than good. But what do you think? Is it not better late than never? The person you're picking, everybody, I don't get it, because the very North is saying they are tired of insecurity. They keep showing to us that a lot of things have gone wrong. They're unhappy. Yet the same people are supporting things that do not promote the right ideas. Who exactly are we deceiving? You're not happy, but yet that is your abode. That's where you're taking your solace and your comfort from. Who exactly are you deceiving? Who exactly? The North were part of those who strongly kicked against Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, and they tried to force him to get back APC ticket, explaining to him that he was the one who, opened schools for their Majori. He tried to do this, that, and they forgot that he was for them, and they regret their actions, blah, 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 blah. You see, people take decisions, and at the end of the day, when they see that they are wrong, what is done is done. You cannot pick up a broken egg. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Remember that you have a voice. Let it count. God bless. Have a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now.